To check your transaction history on Bank of America, you can easily access your account online or through the mobile app. Follow these steps to view your transaction details. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab section. This is usually located at the top of the page or in the main menu of the app. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be a checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. View transaction history. After selecting the account, scroll down to find the transaction history section. Here, you will see a list of your recent transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If you need to narrow down your search, use any available filters to specify date ranges or transaction types. You may also have the option to download your transaction history for personal records. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your financial activities with Bank of America. Regularly checking your transaction history helps you stay informed about your spending and manage your finances effectively.